Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vault Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is a style that combines the cozy rustic charm of traditional farmhouses with elements that feel aged, nostalgic, or from a past era. It's all about creating a warm, lived-in, and timeless atmosphere using natural materials, classic furniture, and decorative pieces that evoke a sense of history. Key features of vintage farmhouse decor. First, natural materials. Oud, reclaimed or distressed oud for furniture, beams, floors, and shelving. Next, stone or brick, like exposed brick walls, stone fireplaces, or stone flooring. Uses linen, cotton, and burlap fabrics. Retains cushions and table linens. Next, color palette. Use soft neutrals like cream, white, beige, and soft gray. Earthy tones, warm browns, muted greens, and faded blues. Occasional pops of vintage colors like mustard, rust, or soft red for accents. Furniture. Use vintage or antique style pieces like wooden tables, rocking chairs, and dressers. Farmhouse style tables with turned legs into distressed finishes. Mix of functional and decorative furniture, often with a slightly worn look. Decorative accents. Use mason jars, enamel pictures, and vintage kitchenware. Used as decor. Antique sign, weighted mirrors, and rustic frames. Quilts, crochet blankets, and embroidered textiles for cozy touches. Lighting. Use warm, ambient lighting like lanterns, candlelights with a rustic touch, or Edison bulbs, wall sconces and table lamps with aged finishes or metal detailing. Nature and greenery. Fresh flowers in vintage vases, potted herbs in the kitchen, dried flowers with bundles or greenery to add organic elements. Mix of old and new. New items with a vintage finish blend with authentic antique pieces. Combines functionality with aesthetic charm. Modern convenience hidden behind a classic look. Tips to achieve the style. Repurpose old items. Turn old crates into shelves or wooden boxes into storage. Distress your furniture. Light sanding or paint washing gives our own lived-in look. Layered textiles combine lace, linen, and cotton for depth and texture. Focus on cozy corners. Add reading nooks, soft cushions, and warm throws to make the space inviting. Stick to simplicity. Avoid overly ornate or flashy pieces. Vintage farmhouse favors authenticity. The atmosphere. Vintage farmhouse decor is all about warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. Unlike modern minimalist styles, each embrace imperfection and natural wear and tear. Spaces feel inviting, lived-in, and timeless, like a home that has been cherished for generations. The core philosophy. Vintage farmhouse decor is about creating a space that feels warm, lived-in, and timeless. Warmth and comfort. The home should feel cozy and inviting, not style or over-modern. Nostalgia. Decor often incorporates pieces that feel old, handmade, or with a story. Authenticity over perfection. On furniture, distressed finishes, and rustic pictures are embraced. Think of it as the charming home of a countryside farmhouse from the early 20th century, updated for today's lifestyle. Start with a neutral base for walls and large furniture. Add vintage furniture and wooden accents with a slightly owned finish. Layer textiles in soft muted colors with simple patterns like plaid or floral. Decorate with vintage accessories like messengers, lanterns, and antique style. Shrink nature indoors with flowers, herbs, or jade greenery. Use warm lighting to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Keep the space uncluttered but cozy. Every item should feel purposeful or charming. Why it works? It blends comfort, nostalgia, and functionality. Spaces feel timeless and inviting. It is flexible. You can adapt it to small cottages, large homes, kitchens, or living rooms. Encourages creativity and DIY personalization, making each home unique. How Windows Farmhouse Decor really means. Windows Farmhouse Decor combines two main ideas. First, farmhouse style, simple, practical, and cozy interiors inspired by rural farm life. Think wooden furniture, open spaces, and a warm lived-in feel. Next, vintage touches. Incorporate spaces that are old, weathered, or look-aged, adding character and nostalgia. Together, this style creates a home that is comfortable, timeless, and full of personality, reflecting both personality and charm. Core characteristics. First, material. Oud, reclaimed, distressed, or natural oud is used for furniture, beams, floors, doors, and shelving. Stone and brick, exposed brick walls or stone fireplace give an authentic rustic look. Metals, old iron, copper, or aged brass for lighting hooks, handles, and accents. Textiles, linen, cotton, burlap, lace, crochet, or quilts for softness and texture. Colors, base colors, white, cream, beige, and soft gray. Accent colors, faded blues, soft greens, muted reds, mustard, or rust. Distressing techniques, chalk paint, whitewashing. Give new furniture a painted appearance. Furniture, tables, long farmhouse dining tables with turned legs or plank tops. Setting, wooden chairs, benches, rocking chairs, or upholstered chairs with vintage fabrics. Storage, dressers, hutches, cabinets, and sideboards with a slightly owned or distressed finish. Furniture often blends antique finds with modern features that look aged. Decorative accents, passengers, normal pictures, wooden crates, vintage skulls, and lanterns, wall art, antique mirrors, rustic frames, botanical prints, or old design. Handmade or DIY touches, crochet blankets, embroidered pillows, or repurposed vintage items. Warm and soft lighting like lanterns, Edison bulbs, and rustic candlelights. Use wall sconces, pendant lights, or table lamps with aged finishes. Lighting should feel cozy, highlighting the room's texture and warm colors. Nature and greenery, fresh flowers in vases, potted herbs, or jade flower arrangements. Organic textures like wicker baskets, jute rugs, or rattan chairs. These elements soften the space and connect it to the outdoors, causing the farmhouse vibe. Texture and layering. Mix fabrics like cotton, linen, burlap, and lace for tip. Layer rugs over wooden floors or add cushions on chairs and benches. Visual and tactile texture is important. It makes the space feel lived in and appreciable. Personalization and the story. Incorporate family heirlooms, vintage finds on DIY Decor. Items with a story or history and character, like an old clock, a hand-painted sign, or a crocheted throw. Every piece contributes to a sense of authenticity and nostalgia. How to apply it throughout the home. Living room, cozy setting, layered textiles, painted sticker on shelves, soft lighting, and rustic coffee table. Next, kitchen. Use open shelving with messengers, painted utensils, wooden countertops, and farmhouse table. Bedroom. Quads, crochet throws, antique dresser, warm lighting, and soft rugs. Bathrooms. Old cabinets, wicker baskets, vintage mirrors, soft towels, old lace or crochet details. Entryway. Rustic bins, hooks for coats, vintage sign, baskets for storage. Why it works? Timeless combines classic farmhouse practicality with nostalgic vintage charm. Why it works? Timeless combines classic farmhouse practicality with nostalgic vintage charm. Cozy and inviting, every element is warm, soft, and tactile. Flexible, works in cottages, modern homes, small apartments, or large houses. Creative, increases DIY and personalization, making the home uniquely yours. The essence of Vintage Farmhouse Decor. Vintage Farmhouse Decor is about creating a home that is warm and cozy, spaces that feel inviting and comfortable, perfect for relaxing or gathering with family. Timeless and nostalgic, combine classic farmhouse simplicity with pieces that look aged or have a story. Authentic and lived-in, imperfections are celebrated on old faded paint or antique decor enhance the character. The style reflects the charm of rural farmhouses from the past, updates for modern living, blending practicality with aesthetic beauty. Practical tips for applying the style. Start with neutral base color for walls and large furniture. Add old and vintage furniture with a slightly distressing finish. Incorporate layered textiles with soft patterns like plaid or floral. Decorate with vintage accessories like messengers, lanterns, old frames, and antique tools. Bring in plants or flowers to soften and freshen the space. Use warm, soft lighting to create cozy ambience. Mix of old and new furniture to balance authenticity with comfort. Keep the space today but inviting, with each piece having purpose or charm. Why people love vintage farmhouse decor? It creates timeless, cozy, and nostalgic spaces. Increases DIY and personalization, making every home unique, flexible enough to work in small cottages, large homes, or modern apartments. Combines comfort, practicality, and visual charm shamelessly. Origins and inspiration. Vintage farmhouse decor is inspired by early 20th century rural farmhouses, primarily in the American countryside and European villages. Key influences include rural practicality, furniture and layout designed for family living and functionality. Handmade craftsmanship. Many items are handmade or locally sourced, giving each piece character. Natural surroundings. Decor and materials often reflect nature: wood, stone, clay, metal, and tactile. Historical nostalgia. The vintage aspects emphasizes items that feel aged or tell a story, creating a sense of history and warmth. Vintage farmhouse inspired home decor is a style that combines the cozy, rustic charm of traditional farmhouses with elements that feel aged, nostalgic, or from a past era. It is all about creating a warm, lived-in and timeless atmosphere using natural materials, classic furniture, and decorative pieces that evoke a sense of history. To achieve the style, purpose old items turn old crates into shelves or wooden boxes into storage. Distress your furniture. Light sanding or paint washing gives our own lived-in look. The antique style combine lace, linen, and cotton for depth and texture. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.